Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Dive, and today we've got something exciting to talk about that's buzzing in the tech world. The all-new Pixel Watch 4 leaks have just dropped and they're pointing to what could be Google's smartest and most polished wearable yet. According to multiple sources, the Pixel Watch 4 is expected to be revealed at the Made by Google event scheduled for August 20th, and the early details are really promising. Now let's talk about what's new and why this watch might finally compete head-on with the Apple Watch Series 9 and Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. First up, the design. The Pixel Watch 4 looks to retain the signature rounded face, but this time with a thinner bezel and a much more refined chassis. It's sleeker, it's more modern, and best of all, the leak shows off a new matte finish option alongside the standard polished steel, making it look more premium than ever. On top of that, the watch bands seem to have gotten a small redesign with a more seamless connection point, giving it that extra level of polish. But the real upgrades are under the hood, starting with battery life, which has always been a weak spot for the Pixel Watch series. The Pixel Watch 4 is rumored to include a larger battery, estimated to last up to 36 hours on a single charge, with always-on display enabled. That's a huge jump from the previous model, and what's more impressive is the inclusion of wireless charging. Finally, this means no more dealing with proprietary chargers or finicky connectors. Just drop it on your Qi charger and you're good to go. But the most exciting upgrade is Google's integration of on-device AI for health and productivity. The leaks suggest that the Pixel Watch 4 will run a refined version of Wear OS 5 powered by a custom chip co-designed with Google's Tensor team, which brings smarter features like real-time health monitoring, predictive workout suggestions, AI-assisted text replies, and more. Plus, it's expected to be the first Pixel Watch to ship with Fitbit's new Sense 3.0 sensors, giving users access to detailed heart rate tracking, body temperature monitoring, and potentially even blood pressure readings. Now that would be a game-changer for health-focused users. And let's not forget about software. The new Wear OS will reportedly include tighter integration with Android 15, including deeper assistant voice commands, offline capabilities, and the ability to control your smart home directly from your wrist. No phone needed. Leaks even suggest the Pixel Watch 4 might get exclusive AI features like Gemini Lite for voice-to-text and live translation, all built into the watch with no internet connection needed. If that's true, Google's not just catching up to Apple, they're leapfrogging ahead. Price-wise, there's no official confirmation yet, but insiders say it could start at $349 for the Wi-Fi model and $399 for LTE, similar to the Pixel Watch 2. So we can expect a competitive launch that undercuts Apple and Samsung slightly, which could make it a real winner for Android users, especially those already in the Pixel ecosystem. Now the big question is, will this be the year Google finally nails the smartwatch experience? If all these leaks hold up, it just might be. We'll know more as we get closer to the August event, but based on what we've seen so far, the Pixel Watch 4 is shaping up to be one of the best wearables of 2025. If you're excited for this launch or planning to upgrade, be sure to let us know in the comments. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Digital Dive, and hit the bell so you never miss a beat in tech. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.